Respected all, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. I welcome you all on the behalf of Fazal Qadir Khan Islamic Institute, Pakistan, to the world's first academy. I am Haknwas, the moderator of this course. I am working in the industry as a data science consultant. Today's adventure is titled as Fundamental of Crafting Simple, Fast, and Accurate Prompts. Today's lecture is fundamentally divided into two parts. In the first part, the AI instructor and AI-powered avatar of Dr. Rao Muhammad Adil Nawab will deliver the lecture. In the second and the final part, the AI influencer Dr. Rao Muhammad Adil Nawab will take live question answer sessions during the lecture. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the chat box. Dr. Adil will answer them after the session. Now, I humbly request the AI instructor to deliver the lecture. Sir, please.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Respected all. Assalamu alaikum. On behalf of Fazal Qadir Khan Islamic Institute Pakistan, I extend a heartfelt welcome to you all to the world's first academy, a groundbreaking leap in the future of education. In this revolutionary platform, AI instructors will guide your learning journey instead of traditional instructors, and Avectures will replace conventional lectures. Are you ready to embrace the future of teaching, learning, and community building? Let's embark on this transformative experience together. Our Institute's mission is to offer free and high-quality education for everyone only for the sake of Allah alone. To achieve this noble objective, we have launched a free online course titled Generative AI for Everyone, Mastering Prompt Engineering with ChatGPT for A Beginner's Guide. This is the second Avecture in this course, titled Fundamentals of Crafting Simple, Fast, and Accurate Prompts. I am your AI instructor, Dr. Rao Muhammad Adil Nawab. Learn to smile and appreciate. Learn to smile and appreciate. One of the fundamental goals of our courses is to nurture a culture of smiling and appreciation in our academia, industry, and society. Our beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said to the nearest meaning, smiling on face of your brother is an act of charity. Hence, you are humbly requested to keep smiling and keep spreading appreciation, because a little kindness goes a long way. We'll begin by reviewing the outline for this Avecture. Avecture outline. In this Avecture, I will begin with a quick recap of the key points covered in the previous session. Next, we'll explore the key components of a simple, fast, and accurate prompt designed to boost your responses instantly. Finally, we'll dive into how to completely and correctly understand a concept using the power of precise prompting. Quick recap. In the previous Avecture, we laid the foundation for understanding generative AI and its practical applications. Key topics included an introduction to generative AI and its capabilities, the growing importance of prompt engineering in shaping future careers, various types of prompts and how they function, the top 5 challenges faced in crafting effective prompts, the critical role of word choice in influencing AI-generated responses. Let's build on that knowledge today. Let's now begin the first part of today's Avecture, components of a simple, fast, and accurate prompt. Components of a prompt. What are the main components of a simple, fast, and accurate prompt? Let's break down what makes a prompt truly effective so the AI understands exactly what you need, delivers it fast, and gets it right the first time. A great prompt has 4 key components. 1. Task definition. Clearly define the action. What exactly do you want the AI to do? 2. Context. Set the stage. Give background so the AI understands the scenario. 3. Input. Provide the necessary data and instructions. What should the AI work with? 4. Output. Describe the expected result, including the desired format or structure. Together, these components help you get precise, relevant, and high-quality responses every time. Example 1. Translating text. Information need. Translate a text from English to Urdu language. How can we guide the generative AI to produce an accurate and culturally appropriate translation? Let's look at the prompt structure step by step. To craft a clear and effective translation prompt, we include all four key components. Number 1, task definition. Translate the given English text into Urdu, maintaining the original tone and meaning. Number 2, context. Act as a machine translation expert to ensure professional and fluent results. Number 3, input. Data. Respect the humanity. Instruction. Use formal and culturally appropriate language. Number 4, output. Return the result in this format. Translation. Translated text. This structure ensures clarity, quality, and cultural relevance in the AI's response. Example 1. Translating text. By combining the four components discussed in the previous slide, here is an effective prompt crafted to fulfill our information need. Translate a text from English to Urdu. Prompt: as a machine translation expert, please translate the given English text into Urdu language while maintaining the original tone and context. Ensure formal and culturally appropriate language is used. Text to translate. Respect the humanity. Provide the translated text in Urdu language in the format. Translation. Translated text. Now I will demonstrate how to run this prompt using the ChatGPT 4.0 model. Step 1. Open the ChatGPT website. Step 2. Log in using your account credentials. Step 3. Select the ChatGPT 4.0 model. Step 4. Next, copy and paste or type the prompt into the prompt box. I have already written this prompt in my notepad file. I will copy it and paste it into the prompt box. After pasting the prompt, press the Enter key. ChatGPT 4.0 will process the input and generate a response. Example 1. Translating text. The following response was generated by ChatGPT 4.0 when I executed this prompt on June 6, 2025. Translation. इंसानियत का एहतराम करें. This example shows how a well-crafted prompt leads to an accurate translation. Example 2. Code generation. Information need. Generate Python code to calculate the sum of two numbers. How can we prompt the AI to write clean, beginner-friendly Python code with clear instructions? To generate the desired code, we structure the prompt using four essential components. Number 1. Task definition. Write a Python program that takes two user inputs and calculates their sum. Number 2. Context. Act as a Python programming expert to ensure code quality and clarity. Number 3. Input. Data. Number 1 and number 2. Instructions. Keep the code simple and concise and add comments to explain each step. Number 4. Output. Return a fully functional Python script that is clearly commented and ready to execute. Example 2. Code generation. By combining the four components, we can craft an effective prompt that accurately and completely fulfills our information need. Generate Python code to calculate the sum of two numbers. Prompt: as a Python programming expert, please write a Python program that calculates the sum of two numbers provided by the user. Ensure the code is simple, concise, and includes comments explaining its logic. Now, I will demonstrate how to run this prompt using the ChatGPT 4.0 model. Step 1. Open the ChatGPT website. Step 2. Log in using your account credentials. Step 3. Select the ChatGPT 4.0 model. Step 4. Next, copy and paste or type the prompt into the prompt box. I have already written this prompt in my notepad file. I will copy it and paste it into the prompt box. After pasting the prompt, press the Enter key. ChatGPT 4o will process the input and generate a response. I ran this prompt on May 31st, 2025, using the ChatGPT 4o model, and it generated the following response. Certainly. Here's a simple and well-commented Python program to calculate the sum of two numbers provided by the user. Python. Program to calculate the sum of two numbers. Ask the user to input the first number. Number 1 equals float. Input. Enter the first number. Ask the user to input the second number. Number 2 equals float. Input. Enter the second number. Calculate the sum of the two numbers. Total equals number 1 plus number 2. Display the result. Print. The sum of the two numbers is total. Explanation. Input gets user input as a string, so we convert it to float for numerical operations. Number 1 plus number 2 performs the addition. The result is shown using print. Insight, the AI-generated Python program, demonstrates a clear, concise, and beginner-friendly approach to solving the problem of summing two user-provided numbers. It uses straightforward input, output operations, and includes meaningful comments that guide the user through each step, from data input to calculation and result display. By using float instead of int, the program allows for more flexibility, accommodating both whole and decimal numbers. The structure is logically ordered and free of unnecessary complexity, making it an ideal example for educational purposes. Overall, the response effectively meets the prompt's requirements in terms of clarity, correctness, and simplicity. Let us now proceed to the to-do and your turn activities designed to reinforce the concepts discussed in the first part of this Avecture. To-do tasks. Write simple, fast, and accurate prompts for the following two tasks, just like we practiced in the Avecture. Tasks 1. Be sure to include all four key components of a powerful prompt. Number 1. Text summarization. Summarize an article in 100 words or less. Number 2. Professional email. Compose an invitation to participate in a generative AI conference. Focus on task definition, context, input, and expected output. Because great prompts lead to great responses. Your turn task. Task 1. Select at least two tasks, similar to the ones in To-Do Task 1. Then, write simple, fast, and accurate prompts for each, using all four components: task definition, context, input, and output. Let's now proceed to the second and final part of this Avecture, completely and correctly understanding a concept. Example, understanding concepts. To demonstrate how AI models can be effectively utilized to completely, correctly, and quickly understand any concept, let us consider the following example. Information need. I want to know about the basics of Microsoft Copilot. This clearly indicates that the user seeks a foundational understanding of the concept. Microsoft Copilot. To fulfill this information need efficiently, we begin by writing the four key components of an effective prompt. Number 1. Task definition. Understand the basics of Microsoft Copilot completely and correctly. Number 2. Context. The request is framed from the perspective of a generative AI expert, which guides the tone, depth, and relevance of the response. Number 3. Input. Instruction 1. Please provide detailed information about Microsoft Copilot covering the following points: definition, purpose, importance, applications, strengths, weaknesses, suitable to use, given and task, input and output, 3 to 10 real-world examples. Instruction 2. Ensure the information is sourced from authentic and credible sources and include proper references at the end. Number 4. Output. A brief, structured, and easy-to-understand explanation of Microsoft Copilot that aligns with the defined task and context. Example, understanding concepts. To fulfill the information need. I want to know about the basics of Microsoft Copilot. An effective prompt could be structured as follows. Prompt. As a generative AI expert, please tell me following points about Microsoft Copilot. Definition. Purpose. Importance. Applications. Strengths. Weaknesses. Suitable to use. Given and task. Input and output. 3 to 10 examples. Please provide information from authentic and top sources. Please see also provide the references list at the end. Now, I will demonstrate how to run this prompt using the ChatGPT 4.0 model. Step 1. Open the ChatGPT website. Step 2. Log in using your account credentials. Step 3. Select the ChatGPT 4.0 model. Step 4. Next, copy and paste or type the prompt into the prompt box. I have already written this prompt in my notepad file. I will copy it and paste it into the prompt box. After pasting the prompt, press the Enter key. ChatGPT 4.0 will process the input and generate a response. I ran this prompt on May 31st, 2025, using the ChatGPT 4.0 model, and it generated the following response. Response from ChatGPT Turbo 4.0, May 31st, 2025. Microsoft Copilot is an AI-powered assistant integrated into Microsoft 365 applications, designed to enhance productivity by assisting with tasks such as drafting documents, analyzing data, and managing communications. Below is a comprehensive overview. Definition. Microsoft Copilot is an AI assistant embedded within Microsoft 365 applications like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and Teams. It leverages large language models, LLMs, and data from Microsoft Graph to provide contextual assistance, enabling users to perform tasks more efficiently. Purpose. The primary goal of Microsoft Copilot is to streamline workflows by automating repetitive tasks, enhancing creativity, and providing intelligent insights. It aims to reduce the time spent on routine activities, allowing users to focus on more strategic work. Importance. Productivity enhancement. By automating tasks like drafting emails or summarizing documents, Copilot helps users save time. Improved decision-making. Copilot's data analysis capabilities assist in making informed decisions. Accessibility. Features like real-time captions and message filtering support diverse user needs. Applications. Microsoft Copilot is utilized across various domains. Word, drafting and summarizing documents. Excel, data analysis, generating formulas, and creating visualizations. PowerPoint, designing presentations from outlines or documents. Outlook, composing emails and summarizing threads. Teams, summarizing meetings and generating action items. Strengths, seamless integration, embedded within Microsoft 365, providing a unified experience. Contextual understanding, utilizes organizational data for personalized assistance. Customization, adaptable to specific user needs and workflows. Weaknesses, data privacy concerns. Handling sensitive information requires stringent security measures. Learning curve, users may need time to adapt to new workflows. Dependence on data quality. Effectiveness is contingent on the quality of underlying data. Suitable to use. Microsoft Copilot is ideal for knowledge workers who deal with large volumes of information, project managers for tracking progress and generating reports, customer service teams to draft responses and manage communications, marketing professionals for content creation and campaign management, input and output. Input, natural language prompts, documents, emails, and data sets. Output, generated text, summaries, visualizations, and actionable insights. Examples. Number 1. Drafting emails. Copilot can compose emails based on brief prompts. Number 2. Summarizing meetings. Generates summaries and action items from Teams meetings. Number 3. Data analysis. Analyzes sales data in Excel to identify trends. Number 4. Creating presentations. Builds PowerPoint slides from Word documents. Number 5. Content creation. Assists in writing blog posts or social media content. Number 6. Customer support. Drafts responses to customer inquiries. Number 7. Project management. Tracks project timelines and milestones. Number 8. Financial forecasting. Predicts future trends based on historical data. Number 9. Legal document review. Summarizes and highlights key points in contracts. Number 10. HR onboarding. Creates onboarding materials for new employees. The following references were provided by ChatGPT 4.0 to support its responses. This response offers a well-structured and comprehensive overview of Microsoft Copilot, effectively addressing all requested aspects including definition, purpose, applications, strengths, weaknesses, and real-world examples. It uses clear subheadings and bullet points to enhance readability and ensures that each point is supported by insights from reputable sources such as Microsoft Learn, Time, and Redress Compliance. The inclusion of examples from multiple Microsoft 365 apps, Word, Excel, Outlook, etc., demonstrates practical use cases, while the input-output section simplifies technical understanding for non-experts. The response is balanced, highlighting both the capabilities and limitations of Copilot, and ends with a proper reference list, adding credibility and completeness. Overall, it is a professional, informative, and user-friendly explanation suited for both technical and general audiences. Analysis. Example. Understanding concepts. What can we learn from the example on understanding concepts? Let's analyze how prompt structure impacts the clarity, speed, and accuracy of AI responses, especially when exploring complex topics like Microsoft Copilot. Analysis 1. Breaking the input into attribute, value pairs help craft prompts that are structured, simple, and precise, resulting in faster and more accurate responses. Analysis 2. You have the flexibility to add or remove attributes based on your specific needs, customizing the depth and direction of the response. Analysis 3. Requesting a references list not only increases the credibility of the response, but also allows you to verify the information for authenticity. Structured prompts are equal to smart answers. Generalizing prompts. When working with multiple topics or domains, it's important to design prompts that are flexible, reusable, and easy to adapt, without losing clarity or structure. How can we generalize prompts for broader use? A simple and powerful method to generalize prompts is by using a template structure with placeholders. Generalized prompt format. As a domain expert, please tell me the following points about concept. Attribute 1. Attribute 2. Attribute 3. Attribute N. Also, request. Please provide information from authentic and top sources and include a references list at the end. This format helps you scale your prompts across topics, from medical terms to business tools, while maintaining consistency, depth, and accuracy. Lesson learned. To wrap up, when we completely and correctly learn to write structured, simple, fast, and accurate prompts. We don't just ask better questions. We unlock the full potential of generative AI models. With the right prompts, you can get precise, powerful, and reliable answers on any topic, anytime. This is the true key to mastering generative AI. We will now reinforce the concepts discussed in this section of the Avecture by focusing on the to-do and your turn activities. To-do tasks. Task 1. Let's take your prompt engineering skills to the next level. Your task: rewrite the Microsoft Copilot prompt by adding 5 new attributes that were not covered in the Avecture. Think creatively. What additional insights, features, or perspectives could make the response even more valuable and complete? This exercise will help you learn how to customize and expand prompts to get richer, more targeted outputs from generative AI. Your turn tasks. Task 1. Now it's your time to practice like a pro. Choose at least 2 concepts or tasks similar to the ones we discussed in the Avecture. For each one, write a structured, simple, fast, and accurate prompt using all 4 key components. Bonus challenge. Take it a step further. Generalize your prompts so they can be reused for similar topics across different domains. This task will sharpen your ability to craft versatile, high-impact prompts that deliver excellent results with any generative AI model. Avecture Summary. Avecture Summary. Let's quickly recap what we covered today. First, we explored the key components of a simple, fast, and accurate prompt, the foundation of effective communication with generative AI. Then, we learned how to completely and correctly understand a concept by structuring prompts with clarity, depth, and precision. These skills are essential to unlock the full power of AI across any domain for any task. In next Avecture. Get ready to take your skills even further. In the next Avecture, I'll introduce the prompt formulation process, a step-by-step approach to designing prompts that are not only clear and fast, but also consistently powerful and effective. Don't miss it. This is where prompt engineering turns into an art. 3 humble requests. We have 3 humble requests. Number 1. Spread the light of knowledge. The core mission of Fazal Qadir Khan Islamic Institute, Pakistan, is to seek the pleasure of Allah alone. That's why all courses and webinars are 100% free. In return, we humbly ask you to teach at least one other person what you've learned here, and kindly encourage them to do the same. This way, the light of knowledge continues to spread without end, insha'Allah. Number 2. Pray for the founder and his parents. Please remember the founder of this institute and his late parents in your sincere prayers. Your du'as are a powerful gift that carries immense reward. Number 3. Stay connected and support our mission. We warmly invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and like our Facebook page to stay updated with upcoming Avectures and free courses. Have questions or wish to contribute as a volunteer to this noble cause? We'd love to hear from you. Feel free to reach out via WhatsApp or email. Our team is always here to assist you with warmth and sincerity. References. Before we close, I'd like to acknowledge the key sources I drew knowledge from, including ChatGPT 4.0 and Gemini 1.5 Flash. Jazak Allah khair to each and every one of you for attending this Avecture with open hearts and minds. May Allah reward your time, curiosity, and commitment to learning. Now, I'd be happy to take your questions, comments, or reflections. Whether you're curious about a specific point we discussed, want to explore a topic further, or just wish to share your thoughts, this is your moment. Please feel free to ask. I'm here to help.
Thank you very much, sir. So now we are moving towards the question answer session. So So now I will request Dr. Mohammad Adil Nawab for question answer sessions, please.
Contact us today. Website www.ilmoirfan.ai. Email info@ilmorfan.ai. WhatsApp 00-92-328-7788177. Follow us on social media: LinkedIn, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. Ilm O Irfan Technologies, your intelligent partner in the AI era.